world ruled by motion and sound, a quieter force endures. No heartbeats, no cries, yet beneath this stillness, life performs one of the nature's oldest dramas. This is the story of the flower, delicate in form yet fierce in purpose, a brilliant creation of evolution, and the greatest reproductive enigma on earth. They bloom for moments, but behind every petal lies a design, ancient, deliberate, and unstoppable. A flower lives not merely for beauty but for continuity. Each curve, each scent, each hue, a signal, a lure, a strategy. Within the living structure rests the essence of reproduction, the anthers bursting with millions of pollen grains, tiny golden capsules carrying the male gametophyte, protected by walls of sporopollenin, a substance so tough it defies decay. Each grain, a messenger of life, each one carrying the potential of new generation. But pollen journey is perilous, carried by wind, by water, or by living partners in the animal world. Millions of years ago, the flower formed an alliance, a pact with insects, birds, and even bats. They offered color, scent, and nectar, and in return, they gained loyalty, precision, and motion. Thus began one of the evolution's greatest stories, the co-evolution of flowers and pollinators. Drawn by fragrance, guided by light, a bee lands. As it feeds, its body becomes dusted with pollen, the grains hitching a ride to another bloom. To us, it looks like chance, but to nature, it is precision. Every color, every shape, every scent, engineered to complete the life cycle. And then the hidden process begins. On the surface of the stigma, a single pollen grain awakens. It grows a cylinder pollen tube, a living thread pushing down through the style towards the ovary where the next generation waits. Inside the ovule, the female gametophyte, the embryo sac, lies silent. It holds an egg cell and two polar nuclei. Together, they guard the potential of new life. And then, the moment of union. One male gamete fuses with the egg, forming a zygote. The other merges with the two polar nuclei, forming the endosperm. Two fusions, one event, double fertilization. Unique to the flowering plants, this phenomenon ensures that life begins only when success is certain. No waste, no error, only precision and purpose. From this union, transformation begins. The ovule hardens into a seed, guarding the embryo within. The ovary swells, ripens, becomes the fruit, a vessel of nourishment and protection. To animals, it is food. To the plant, it is movement, a strategy for spreading life beyond stillness. Birds eat the fruit, winds lift the seeds, rivers carry them to new lands. Every dispersal, a risk, every germination, a renewal. Most will fail, but the few that succeed will rise from the soil, stretch to the light, and bloom again. And so the cycle continues, silent, seamless, eternal, the flower fleeting in beauty, yet infinite in design, is not just nature's ornament, but its engineer of evolution. It conquered the land not with strength, but with strategy, not with motion, but with mastery. In every petal lies a plan, In every fragrance, a signal, and in every bloom, the echo of life renewing itself. The flower, the reproductive enigma, a silent miracle that conquered time by mastering life itself.